gold and silver are touching record highs. In fact, as of this morning, gold and silver prices hit their peak points in Asian trade. Spot gold jumped about 1.4% to a record high of $4,403 an ounce, surpassing its October peak, while spot silver rallied over 3% to a record high of $69.45 an ounce. Now, both the metals have in fact seen remarkable performance through the course of 2025 as well. Let's take a look at this report formulated by my colleague Shreyansi Singh, who is joining us to understand the drivers of this rally. Shreyansi.
Well, absolutely, Malika. And just as you rightly pointed out, another day, another week, another record high coming in when it comes to gold and silver prices. So when you take a look at gold prices, they have in fact rallied to the tune of about 1.5%. That's the kind of uptick that you're looking at for gold. And silver, it's about 3.7% uptick, closing in also on that $70 an ounce level. And this is quite unprecedented. Both of these metals, you're looking at both of them being set for the best year since 1979. And quickly, when you take a look at the year-to-date moves as well, gold is up about 70% thereabout, and silver, in fact, is up about 133%. So that's the kind of run-up that you've seen in terms of the key triggers. You do have lower interest rates that make it to the list when it comes to silver as well. Other than that, it's also supply concerns that make it to that list, fifth year of supply deficits coming in for the white metal. And other than that, there's of course robust demand that we've seen for the last 8 years. Other than that, there's a tariff lining that you're looking at on the back of the US Geological Survey, also adding it to the list of critical minerals. So you're looking at a potential tariff coming in when it comes to the white metal. And on the back of that, you've seen that blistering, that scorching rally come in. Other than that, in terms of the other key tailwinds, you do of course have lower interest rates making it to the list when it comes to bullion as well. And what also adds to that list is of course geopolitical tensions. So there's safe haven demand that is getting bolstered on the back of that. And there's also robust ETF inflows as well as the de-dollarization trend that is also added to the tailwinds when it comes to gold.